Hey everyone, I'm here to show you how I'm looking for the portfolio to be submitted. So the idea is that you're just going to kind of paste this in a Word file. I can grade it visually a lot easier than I can looking through all the different files. So what you need to do is just start with Hello World. Just go ahead and put your name, that, and then portfolio 0 for good measure. And then what you want to do is label each thing like that, and the program that you're going to do, because that's the first one you see here, Hello World. And then you're just going to copy and give you a little hand. That's our Hello World program, and you're just going to paste it in there. You can keep the formatting, keep it look like that. Try it not, it shouldn't go past the line. If it does, it's not the end of the world, but just like that. And then you're going to continue on with the next one, hello name, and so on and so forth. Just copying and pasting it in that same kind of format of the title, and then and then that way I can grade through it down the line really easy. Let's see. After that, you're going to submit it into the Word file here, just handing it in, obviously, the file itself. Then next, what you want to do is you're going to take your the folder, and so here's portfolio 0. Hopefully you have it all in one folder. You have subfolders, that's fine, but this way it will help me if I need to run the code. If there's a discrepancy between what I see and what we're expecting, then what you do is you'll send to a compressed zip folder, and there you go. There's your zip file. So that's what we're looking for the zip file. So hopefully that helps. Again, a couple things to keep in mind. Don't get rid of the formatting. Keep it in the same linear order. I will take off like kind of side points for those. So just be aware of that. I hope that helps. Thanks and God bless.